If you say this, no woman will resist. Stoicism. Imagine if there was a way to speak that could instantly make any woman feel a deep, almost magical connection with you. Sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. Words have power. The right words, said at the right time, can trigger emotions, spark curiosity, and create attraction effortlessly. Today, I'm going to reveal 6 secret phrases that can do exactly that. These aren't just pickup lines, they're tools to help you stand out, break through the friend zone, and create an irresistible connection with women. And trust me, the last phrase is a game changer, one that most men are too afraid to use. So stay tuned until the end, because you won't want to miss it. Let's start with something subtle but incredibly effective, saying, "You have a unique way about you. I like that." Works like a charm because it's not just a compliment, it's a mystery. When you say this, a woman's mind immediately starts racing. What does he mean? What's so special about me? She'll want to know more, and that curiosity draws her in. Most men compliment the obvious, her looks, her style, or her smile. While those are nice, they don't stand out. But when you notice something deeper, something even she might not see, it makes her feel truly seen. Maybe it's the way she lights up when talking about her passions, or the confidence in her voice when she's making a point. Whatever it is, pointing it out shows that you're paying attention, not just to her appearance, but to her essence. Here's a pro tip. Say this phrase with a slight smile and maintain eye contact. It's not just about the words, it's about the energy behind them. When delivered naturally, it creates an instant connection. Try it next time and watch her reaction. The next phrase is a game changer because it's not just a compliment, it's a challenge. Saying, "I like women who know what they want," shifts the dynamic entirely. Most men spend their time trying to impress women, seeking their approval, or showering them with generic compliments. But when you say this, you're doing something different. You're setting a standard. You're showing that you value confidence, clarity, and independence. Imagine she asks, "What do you look for in a woman?" Instead of giving a vague answer, you say, "I like women who know what they want." Suddenly, the dynamic shifts. Instead of you chasing her, she's the one trying to prove she fits that description. It's a subtle but powerful way to show that you're not just another guy trying to win her over. You're someone who knows what you want and isn't afraid to say it. Women are naturally drawn to men who have standards. It shows confidence, maturity, and self-respect, qualities that are incredibly attractive. So next time you're in a conversation, drop this phrase naturally and watch how it changes the energy between you. Now let's take compliments to another level. Instead of saying something generic like, "You're beautiful," try saying, "That's what I like most about you." This phrase highlights something specific and authentic. For example, "The way you talk about your passions is so inspiring." Or, "You have this energy that's hard to ignore." Why does this work? Because it makes her feel truly seen. Everyone wants to be recognized for something beyond the obvious. When you notice the little details, like the sparkle in her eyes when she's excited, or the way she expresses herself with confidence, it creates a deeper, more meaningful connection. Timing is everything. Use this phrase when you genuinely notice something unique about her. It could be the way she laughs, the way she listens, or even the way she carries herself. When you point it out, it shows that you're paying attention, and that's something she'll never forget. Now, this next phrase is where things get interesting. Saying, "I don't think you're ready for me yet," is powerful because it taps into 2 psychological triggers, the fear of loss and the allure of scarcity. When you say this, it immediately sparks curiosity. She'll think, "What does he mean? Why wouldn't I be ready for him?" And just like that, you've flipped the script. Here's how to use it. Keep it light and playful. Say it with a confident smile, almost like you're teasing her. The goal isn't to push her away, it's to create a fun challenge. For example, If she says something playful or brags about a quality, you can respond with, "Interesting, but I don't think you're ready for me yet." It's a subtle way to show that you're not just another guy trying to impress her. You're someone who values yourself and isn't easily won over. And here's the magic. Once she starts wondering what you mean, she'll want to prove she is ready. It's a powerful way to keep her engaged and intrigued. Another phrase that plays on curiosity is, "I don't know if you can handle me." This one is all about playful.